we are the only party that truly is a political party. And the only party in this country that has not changed its name since we started. And I believe that when we work hard, as we're already doing, as we have started today, under the leadership of the governor of Akwa Ibom, the great mobilizer, I'm sure that will be mobilized across Nigeria to win the elections landslide. I must truly appreciate what we are all doing in our individual zones, but we must single out the great work that is being done in the Northwest Zone. We have had lots and lots of information. We've seen a lot of people decamping, and we must recognize this and ask our leaders to continue in that good work until everybody in the Northwest Zone is liberated and we have taken full control. We are very much aware that the Northeast Zone is working hard. And definitely will win. The North Central, our leaders are working so hard. And I'm sure very soon we'll be there to consult with the stakeholders. And I believe that it's going to be a story that will bring forth great joy to us. We were in the Southwest Zone. We had a very, very good consultative meeting with our stakeholders. And I want to urge them to work hard to compete. I'm very convinced that we are going to be very competitive in every one of the 6 states in the Southwest Zone. And in the South-South Zone, we are definitely doing very great. But many thanks to our brothers in the Southeast Zone, because seeing what we saw in Enugu 2 days ago, I'm very convinced that there is no reason why we will not win elections in the 5 Southeast states. But as I did say to our brothers that day, the leadership must provide the enabling environment for the followers to truly come out to campaign and to win the elections. That means the leadership must be ready to be bold and courageous. And when the leadership is bold and courageous in the campaign, the followers definitely will become much more convinced on the need to truly go out there to engage and to come out to vote on the day of the elections. We are the only party that stays competitive in all zones in this country, and that is the truth. Even the Southwest, that people believe that the other party may actually pull a lot of votes. From what I see and from what we can conveniently gather from intelligence, if we work a little harder, we may even come out with the greater popular vote than the APC in the Southwest. They thought we couldn't do it in Osun State. We did it. And that momentum has continued to propel our people forward. So we must go forth out there with courage. But as we continue to work, as we continue to mobilize the people, we must realize that until we have won those elections in February and March, there is no room for any of us to rest as leaders. But our leaders should please return back home as regularly as possible to give courage and to give a sense of direction to our people who are in their various units and in their various wards. And we will have reason, truly will have reason to celebrate in 2023. Mr. Chairman, I want to thank you for this meeting and to apologize that I came in late. And I pray that as we return home, God will lead us back home safely. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you.